Over the past 1 year, we've seen 3 banks which have failed. And, the cabinet secretary in today's budget attributed the failures to specific issues affecting the banks and not to essentially issues affecting the entire industry. In the budget, the cabinet secretary has proposed a number of regulatory measures which essentially aim at strengthening the banking sector. Specific issues that he has touched on are issues of governance, trying to strengthen the corporate governance structure in the banks. Essentially, that would probably have to do with the directors of the banks, trying to ensure that we've got directors who are able to provide proper oversight on the bank operations. In addition to governance, the cabinet secretary has proposed various measures which are aimed at increasing the CBK's capability to supervise the banks. Specific measures include increasing the CBK's capability to audit the IT systems of banks. This will include getting manpower and personnel who have got IT skills, increasing the supervisory capacity of the CBK so that it's able to essentially review the banks and catch any issues that may arise before they happen. The other thing that the cabinet secretary proposed is increasing the penalty for violating the regulations from 5 million to 20 million. And they're also proposing to publish names of persons who violate the regulations. This essentially is a form of public shaming, so that violators are known to the public before things go wrong. The other proposal that the cabinet secretary introduced was on credit information sharing, where it's proposing to change the Banking Act regulations to ensure that SACCOs, utility companies such as Kenya Power, water companies, are able essentially to report information into the credit information sharing platform, so that anybody who defaults in their electricity bills are reported in the framework, or people who have got a bad credit history probably will not be able to access essentially utilities. It is one way of ensuring that the whole issue about bad debts is properly managed.